Oh my, this is incredible.
I wish I brought my bathing suit. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's amazing. It's like you're on vacation in a forest.
Stunning.
I'm speechless.
What do you think?
Wow, vintage.
Very interesting.
It's the most amazing thing I've seen.
Oh, and look at that beautiful ensuite.
You have a private lagoon, the biggest freshwater lagoon in Thailand, in front of your bed.
Can you imagine just right here?
Serene.
Off the back, you got the solarium, screened-in porch with another fireplace.
Wow, did you pick a winner or what?
It's almost as stunning as my wife.
Top Million.